How to make long-distance relationships work. Proven tips for a lasting love. Long-distance relationships often get a bad reputation. People assume they are doomed to fail, but that couldn't be further from the truth. While distance adds a unique set of challenges, countless couples have successfully maintained their love across cities, countries, and even continents. The key lies in commitment, communication, and creativity. If you're in a long-distance relationship or considering one, this guide will help you build a strong foundation and keep the spark alive no matter how many miles separate you. 1. Understanding long-distance relationships. Long-distance relationships require a different kind of effort compared to traditional relationships. You won't have the luxury of spontaneous meetups or casual date nights. Instead, you'll rely heavily on communication, trust, and shared goals. Many people believe long-distance relationships don't work because they lack physical presence. However, love isn't just about proximity, it's about connection. Those who succeed in long-distance relationships know that emotional intimacy can be just as powerful as physical closeness. 2. Building trust and communication. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, but in long-distance relationships, it becomes even more crucial. Without trust, every unanswered call or delayed text can lead to unnecessary doubts and insecurities. Be honest about your feelings, even when it's difficult. Keep each other informed about daily life to stay involved. Set communication expectations. How often and through which platforms you'll talk. Avoid excessive jealousy. Give your partner the benefit of the doubt. Consistent and meaningful conversations strengthen trust. Instead of just texting, try voice or video calls to create a deeper connection. 3. Setting expectations. Every long-distance couple should discuss their expectations early on. This prevents misunderstandings and ensures both partners are on the same page. How often will you visit each other? What's your long-term plan? Is the distance temporary? Are you exclusive? Or is the relationship open? How will you handle time zone differences? Setting clear expectations eliminates confusion and helps both partners feel secure in the relationship. 4. Using technology to stay connected. Technology is a long-distance couple's best friend. Thanks to modern advancements, staying in touch has never been easier. Messaging apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger for daily texts. Video calls, Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime for face-to-face conversations. Online games and streaming. Play games together or watch movies simultaneously using apps like Teleparty. Shared digital spaces. Create shared photo albums, playlists, or even a private blog. Leverage technology to maintain closeness despite the distance. 5. Planning visits and quality time. Nothing beats the excitement of meeting after months apart. Planning visits in advance helps keep the relationship strong by giving you both something to look forward to. Discuss and coordinate trips based on your schedules. Make the most of your time together. Quality over quantity. Plan special activities, but also enjoy simple moments like cooking together or relaxing. Each visit strengthens your bond and helps sustain the relationship during time apart. 6. Surprise and romance from afar. Surprises keep relationships fresh and exciting, even when you're miles apart. A little effort goes a long way in making your partner feel loved. Send handwritten letters or small gifts. Order their favorite meal to be delivered unexpectedly. Plan surprise virtual date nights with a theme. Record a heartfelt video message just for them. Even though physical presence is limited, small romantic gestures can help keep the spark alive. 7. Managing loneliness and doubts. There will be times when loneliness and doubts creep in. It's normal to feel frustrated or uncertain, but how you handle these emotions determines the future of your relationship. Talk openly about your feelings instead of bottling them up. Stay busy with hobbies, friends, and personal goals. Remind yourself why you're in this relationship and what makes it special. Avoid overanalyzing situations. Give each other space when needed. Maintaining a positive mindset and staying focused on the bigger picture will help you push through tough times. 8. Handling conflicts effectively. Disagreements are inevitable in any relationship, but long-distance couples face unique challenges when resolving conflicts. Without body language and physical comfort, words can sometimes be misinterpreted. Choose the right time to discuss issues. Avoid texting serious matters. Stay calm and avoid blame. Focus on solutions. Practice active listening to understand each other's perspectives. Don't let small arguments escalate. Compromise when necessary. Respectful communication can prevent misunderstandings and strengthen your relationship over time. 9. Keeping personal growth in check. A successful long-distance relationship doesn't mean putting your life on hold. It's important to continue growing as individuals while supporting each other's dreams and goals. Pursue your passions and hobbies. Work on self-improvement, fitness, career, education. Encourage your partner's ambitions without feeling insecure. Maintain a healthy balance between personal life and the relationship. When both partners are growing, the relationship benefits too. 10. When to reevaluate the relationship. While long-distance relationships can work, it's also important to recognize when things aren't going well. If communication feels forced, trust is fading, or future plans seem uncertain, it may be time to reassess the relationship. Ask yourself, is the relationship making both of you happy? Do you see a future together? Are you both putting in equal effort? If the answers aren't clear, have an honest conversation with your partner about the next steps. Final thoughts. Long-distance relationships aren't easy, but they're far from impossible. With trust, commitment, and creativity, you can build a strong and fulfilling relationship, no matter how far apart you are. Instead of seeing distance as a barrier, view it as an opportunity to strengthen your bond in ways that many couples never experience. At the end of the day, love isn't about being in the same place. It's about being in the same mindset. If you and your partner are willing to put in the effort, your relationship can not only survive the distance but thrive because of it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.